I've got right in front of me the Yealink BH74 Bluetooth headset. I've been using it for a few months. Let me show you what's in the box. You'll get a microfiber cloth from us. That way you can keep all the parts nice and clean. Get this nice little travel case. And in addition to the headset itself, you're going to get a USB cable. It may include an adapter like this so that you could still go USB-C to USB-A. You have the wireless headset and you have a dongle. This dongle is your friend. And it is your friend because there are still a lot of laptops and computers that are not very friendly when it comes to Bluetooth usage. The BH74 comes in a couple of different flavors. It comes in a Teams version and it comes in a UC version. The Teams version really is for those Microsoft users that use Teams and want a plug and play experience with a wireless headset. Can you use that version with other applications like Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx? Yes, you can. It's just that in the Teams version, it just comes out of the box ready for Teams users. In addition to coming in a UC version and a Teams version, it comes with an optional charging stand. I highly recommend that if you're going to be a frequent user, so you have a place to put it. The WH64 is a different headset and it has a stand. I happen to have it nearby. The stand for the BH74 is going to look very similar to it. It'll fit right in here. And the reason why I wanted to show you that is that it allows you to keep your desk nice and neat. You can keep it out of the way. You don't have it laying around or you're finding some clumsy spot for it. You just know you've got a spot for it. It'll recharge it and will make your desk look nicer. And that has been an unboxing of the BH74 Bluetooth headset. Go and check out those videos where I talk about how to use it and who the ideal users this headset is for. I'll see you in those videos.